So as you can see, your living space is extremely very spacious. This is going to be your kitchen. Again, you have your... See, this room again is very spacious. You have... Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Today we will be doing the sample flat tour of Mahindra Lakewoods by Mahindra Lifespaces, Mahindra World City. The project is located in Mahindra World City, Chengalpattu, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. But before starting, let me show you the surroundings of the project. And as you can see, this is going to be your marketing office and the land parcel is just a few minutes away from here at a walking distance. Now, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. You see, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you a bottom rate guarantee. Unlike any other current listing platforms where if you do inquiry, your number is shared with a lot of brokers creating chaos. But with Housey, it is directly done by the developer. First one is the project overview. Mahindra Lakewood is spread across an expansive 9.33 acres of land parcel, and the project comprises of 9 towers with stilt plus 14 floors each. The total number of units in the project is 747 premium homes, and Mahindra Lakewood offers 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium apartments. Coming over to the amenities part, the project offers premium amenities such as a clubhouse, swimming pool, gymnasium, kids play area, jogging track, landscape green spaces, and many more. Now we will be doing the actual sample flat tour for Mahindra Lakewoods for 3 BHK, and the configuration for that is 1478 square feet. Now, as we enter, we first have our door system, which will again have proper lock system given here and on your main doors side as well. And as we enter, this is going to be your living space area. So as you can see, your living space is extremely very spacious, and because it is designed in a unique way on that corner of your house, you can also add an extra table or chair, or if you want, you can add a shoe rack here or design it however you like. And as you can see, proper wooden touch also has been given. Designs have been verified in the house. And on your living area side, you have proper electric units, AC units placed. You also have your light units as well. Then coming on the other corner of your living area, if you want, you can convert that into your dining space area, or if you want, you can expand your living area. Then your living area comes with proper balcony attached. So this is going to be the balcony, and as you can see, the balcony walls are also given a very unique and a different style. You have wooden flooring touch done in your balcony. You have proper railing system given for your safety. You have a light space given as well in your balcony over here. And this is going to be your outside view of the balcony. It gives you direct access. You have good sunlight and ventilation flowing inside your house. Now, the good thing about the house is that, like I mentioned, it has been given a very unique and a different style. So your kitchen comes directly very close to your entrance. So if you want, you can choose and design your house. That is, you can place your dining this side and your living there to turn this entire corner of your house into an open space kitchen-like. So this is going to be your kitchen. Again, you have your chimney exhaust fan properly placed. The tilings for the kitchen also is unique and different done, as you can see. And you have your storage space units properly placed. You have your lighting system. Then you have 2 separate windows. This is going to be your normal window, which can be very close to your wash basin. Your fridge comes there. And your other window is going to be your dry balcony. So this is your dry balcony. So you can use this side of your kitchen for adding your washing machine, for placing your laundry. Again, here as well, if you place your laundry, you have a good source of ventilation coming to dry your clothes. Now, moving forward with the room sections. Now, we are going to enter to our first bedroom. So this is going to be Your first bedroom, as you can see, it is also again very unique. Now, one thing to notice about the house is that every place in the house has different tilings given around in your house space. You can design it in a very unique and nice manner. Also, the room has enough space for you to add extra study table. Like you can see, your wardrobe system can be placed on that side of the room, and then each corners of your bed you can also place your tables or suit it up however you like. And then you also have your windows placed in your room as well. You have your AC unit, as well as if you want you can add a center unit for your fan. Now the room of course comes with an attached washroom. As you can see, the mirror lightings have been given. You have a very unique style in your washroom. The tilings is also very luxury like in your washroom. On the other side, you have your shower system done properly, and you have your ventilation system given as well. In your washroom also, you have your electric unit placed. Now, moving into our second bedroom, exactly opposite to your first room. So this is going to be your second bedroom. As you can see, your second room is again extremely very spacious, and you have a lot of space to cover up this entire room and turn it into your open closet or design it in whichever suitable way you like. Now again, if you notice, this corner of the room also has proper different tiles given, texture given to your walls. Now, the best part about this room is that it has an attached balcony. As you can already notice, the attached balcony is extremely spacious, and here again you have your touch given to your balcony wall as well. You also have your wooden flooring done in this balcony, and again your railing comes properly. If you can notice, you have a very nice view from the outside of your balcony. You can add your flower pots or design this entire balcony like deck area into your choice. Now, on the other corner of the room, we have a small window space as well given for your ventilation. So if you want your study table or your small home office type of structure could also be added in your room. Now, before we enter into our other room, let me quickly tell you what exactly is Housey. So as soon as you go to Housey's website, you will find all the information about the project, like the project overview, the location, the amenities, and we actually give you proper location tours about the project. Not just that, but you will also find the pros and cons of the project. You will also find EMI, down payment options, pricing, exclusive details of the project. And you also get 360 virtual tour of the project. If you want, you can click on the link which will be mentioned in the description below to book a free site visit, or you can go to www.housey.com for more information. Moving into our next room, so your washroom is placed here. If you want, you can turn this into your washroom. As you can see, it is very extremely spacious comparatively to your other washrooms. Here as well, you have a big exhaust fan with a window given. Your tilings again in this washroom are completely different. And on top of your mirror, you have a proper lighting system given. You have your switches, you have your shower system, everything just perfect. And then outside, you have an extra wash basin. So this can be commonly used close to your dining area spaces by everyone. Now, coming into the other room, as you can see, this room again is very spacious. You have your wardrobe here, and again on this room as well, you have a lot of space given. As you can see, the house is designed in such a unique way that each room makes sure that you have space to design your house in whichever way you like. Now, in this room as well, you have two different windows. Now, this window again is here placed, giving you outside view with sunlight and ventilation. And then we have a small window on the other corner of the room as well. So this is going to be your other room corner. And you have your electric units, your AC units placed. Also another thing, you have proper lighting system given and built-in design inside of your ceiling. So everyone, this was the actual sample flat tour for Mahindra Lakewoods for 3 BHK. Hope you liked the video. For more such amazing walkthroughs, do not forget to subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.